the Ontario Science Centre invites you to visit the AstraZeneca Human Edge, a new exhibition hall that explores the wonders of the human body and all of its limitless possibilities.
It's a pretty magical time to go out on the floor because you see things that are different almost every day, and you start to see that the things we've been talking about for a long time are actually taking life and taking shape and looking really great.
And we have a wonderful production facility, and we're taking full advantage. I can't imagine us doing a show of this scope and this size without having a fabrication facility on site. We can walk through one set of doors and talk to somebody who's brilliant in electronics and somebody who's an amazing craftsperson. And then we have these great designers on staff. So you can imagine what we can imagine as scientists. There's nothing we can't create in this building.
We've done a lot of research and a lot of work on materials in this particular show. We had a goal of trying to be as sustainable as we possibly could with this show, which is fairly new because we really have been trying to make things bulletproof.
This is our printer, and this is the material that we chose to use in the end, and we're really happy to say that it meets all of the criteria. And when we put it together with the overlaminate, it performs well and it looks great.
It's not a linear process because it's collaborative. There's a lot of people involved in getting the idea from something that you begin as a conceptual drawing.
Gus and I have been talking about reducing the width of the glass floor itself
to a three-dimensional thing that visitors actually experience.
We wanted to take the human body and really showcase how amazing it is. Take some really good examples of extreme athletes, people who push limits with their body, and then juxtapose that with the body and the systems and how they allow us to do that.
Well, I think we want them to have had a fantastic time and to have really kind of had a really social experience where each one of them in the group will get something slightly different, but we want them to really have a greater understanding and appreciation of the human body, and also understand that a lot of what we think is, our barrier or our limit, it's sort of in our own heads. And so then by hearing all these inspiring stories and learning about these athletes, then they too will sort of see that they can be achieving more and be, extending their limits.